everyone, welcome back to Cracku JE, and in this video we will look at what are the important steps of online reporting step by step. So let's start. Guys, getting a seat is not enough. You need to do further steps like selecting willingness option, uploading documents and paying the institute admission fee. Now here's the look at 8-step reporting process. First, you need to log in on the CSAB portal. Second, check the seat allotment results. These are pretty basic. This is important. Selecting the willingness option. In this, there is a freeze, float, slide, surrender, and withdraw. We'll talk about that further in the video. Now, upload the required documents. This is important. Pay the institute admission fee. Now, checking about the document verification status. The documents that you have uploaded, they may have some discrepancies. The officials will look into that, then they will raise a query. Now, important thing is to respond to those verification queries within the deadline. If you don't do, your seat will be cancelled. Next is download the provisional admission letter. Guys, do subscribe us. It really motivates me and the whole team behind the scenes to push high quality timely updates to you guys. Coming to willingness options, you will be shown freeze, float, slide, surrender or withdraw. I hope you already know those. Important thing is that surrender is unavailable in the final round. In round 2, whatever seat you get, only one option will be shown, that is freeze. And the candidates who select float and slide option in round 1, whatever seat they get in final round, that will be treated as final and earlier seat will be cancelled. Coming to documents, we have already made a detailed video regarding what are the documents you need to upload, but these things you need to be very mindful. For OBC, NCL and General EWS candidates, the category certificate must be issued after April 1, 2026, and documents that are not issued in English must be accompanied by a translation in English or Hindi. Regarding the institute admission fee, you need to pay the fee in a specific timeline and make sure after the payment in the portal it shows the status successful. Second, download the receipt. Third is save screenshot plus PDF, because if any issue happens later, you have a proof that you made the payment before deadline. Guys, yesterday there was an issue in CSAB portal. So what if it happens again? That is why we are telling you, do not wait until the final hour. Make your payment before deadline, because unless you don't pay, they won't start verifying your documents. Guys, regularly check the portal if your documents are verified or not, and here are the list of important documents. We have been telling you responding to verification queries multiple times, so let's have a look. First is a query may be raised because the document is unclear. Second, the wrong document has been uploaded, information do not match, the category certificate is invalid or outdated. A page or signature is missing and additional eligibility proof is required in some cases. Also guys, mind you, the CSAB officials won't mail you again and again reminding about these verification queries. It's you that need to be responsible checking the portal again and again if there is any query, and also make sure to resolve it within the deadline. If you don't do, your seat can get cancelled. Guys, after you pay the fee, your documents are verified, the next thing which will happen is you will get to download the provisional admission letter. Download it, and mind you, the online reporting is completed. The physical reporting is still remaining. For PwD candidates, some extra verification may be required. For that, you need to go to CSAB help centers. After the online reporting is done, next step is physical reporting. Here are like a quick overview of what are the steps, but we will make a detailed video on that too. A quick overview of important mistakes that you need to avoid. We have discussed about these, but I'm again stressing on uploading unclear documents and verification queries. So here is the final takeaway from this video. Starting from the beginning, log in, check your results, select willingness, freeze, float, slide, surrender, withdraw, uploading documents, pay the fee, and after you pay the fee, your document verification will start. After that, you may get some queries, respond to that, and finally download the allotment letter. So guys, that was all about online reporting. If you have any doubts, drop in the comment. We will try to respond each one of them, and do subscribe to receive timely updates.